NATO fighter jet has shot down a drone breaching Romanian airspace, while Russian strikes kill a civilian in Ukraine. This direct military action on the border heightens the risk of a wider international conflict. Here is the latest on the strikes and the NATO response. The conflict between Russia and Ukraine has shifted into a war of attrition, characterized by relentless long-range strikes on civilian infrastructure. This volatility has pushed the conflict toward the borders of NATO member states. Romania, positioned on the edge of the fighting, has faced repeated airspace violations as drones drift away from primary combat zones. These incursions create a high-stakes environment where a single mistake could trigger a wider international confrontation. A NATO fighter jet has intercepted and shot down a drone after it breached Romanian airspace near the border with Ukraine. This escalation comes as Romanian forces also destroyed drones drifting near a major offshore gas project in the Black Sea. Meanwhile, Russian strikes in Ukraine have resulted in the death of a woman. Romanian officials confirmed the airspace violation and the immediate military response to secure their territory. The incidents underscore the heightened tension along the eastern flank of the alliance and the ongoing threat to critical energy infrastructure. This incident marks a critical escalation in the conflict's spillover. By downing a drone, Romania is signaling that NATO airspace is a red line. This is about more than a single aircraft. It is about the security of critical energy infrastructure in the Black Sea. The risk of a direct, accidental confrontation between NATO and Russia has intensified. In the coming days, watch for increased air patrols and a tighter security perimeter along the eastern flank. If these incursions continue, the pressure for a more aggressive collective response will grow. Russian strikes continue as NATO expands its defensive response to airspace breaches. Does this signal a dangerous new phase of escalation? Tell us your thoughts in the comments. Subscribe for the latest breaking updates.